I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right clips and making the first placements quickly. Use 6-12 clips depending on hair thickness, snap clips for hold, banana for volume. Once you have them, section hair into narrow 1/4 to 1/2 inch slices so each clip grips evenly. Clip near the roots at a slight angle to anchor. This prevents slipping later. Make sure to detangle each section before clipping, because smooth hair seats better and reduces stress on the clip and hair shaft. Once the first row is set, continue by securing and layering clips for strength. Insert each clip teeth first toward the scalp at about a 30 to 45 degree angle so it grabs hair close to roots. For thicker or slippery hair, alternate clip directions and overlap slightly. This creates a woven grip. Press each clip closed, then give a tiny forward slide of 1 to 2 millimeters to lock it. Make sure spacing is even. Uneven gaps lead to visible bulges or weak spots. To finish, refine the look and secure any loose pieces. Tuck stray hairs beneath nearby clips and smooth the surface with a fine-tooth comb. This hides edges and blends layers. Once done, mist a light hairspray or apply powder texturizer to increase friction without making hair stiff. If a clip slips, remove it and check section size, often too thin or overloaded, then replace or add an adjacent clip to redistribute tension. Finally, reassess from different angles to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.